Assalamualaikum, my name is Dominic FAUZI bin ABDULLAH. My matter number is 13DT22F1156. Okay, in this video, we are going to present you our problem-based task 2 and problem-based task presentation 2 for our subject DFP 50293 Mobile Application Development. In this problem-based task 2, there are 4 main questions for we to complete, which is for now I'm going to present for introduction. Okay, the mobile application layout is a part of project aimed at creating an intuitive and effective interface for managing the personal expenses. The application provides user with the ability to track their spending, generate details report, and input new expenses. The design focuses on simplicity and clarity, ensuring that user can easily navigate through the app's features without unnecessary complexity. Okay, the application includes 3 main activities, which is first, expenses summary screen, second, expense report screen, and third, expense entry screen. Okay, for expenses summary screen, we are going to provide an overview of the user expenses, including visual summaries and quick access to key functionalities. For expenses report screen, they are going to be display detailed information about past expenses, allowing user to sort and analyze their spending by date and category. Third, expenses entry screen. For this, they are going to enable user to input new expenses, ensuring that the process is quick and straightforward. Also, each screen is carefully designed to balance functionality with aesthetic, leveraging Android layout, components such as frame layout, linear layout, grid layout, and table layout. This layout was chosen to provide a responsive and consistent user experience across different devices and screen size.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUQRI bin KARIP, 13DDT22F1030. Now I will explain about our main interface. This is our main interface of expense, and this is the expense summary. And then we have a pie chart for 3 different type of data. First is rent, second we have transportation, and the third one we have meals. Then we have 2 buttons. The first one is add expense, and the second one is a report. And here we have the coding for our main interface for the expense summary. This is our coding. This is the end of our coding. Then if we click the add expense here, the button, then we will transport to the expense entry. At this page, we can click each of this category, the expense title, the amount, and the date. And when we click it, then we can enter anything that we want, like this. And the amount, and then the date. And then we also have 2 buttons. This one is save expense. This button will save all of our entry here. And then we have the back button. Now we go back, and then now I will click the, oh yeah, I forgot the expense button, and this is the coding for the expense entry. We have the button here, the edit text. Alright. Now we go back to our main interface, and then we click the review report. And this is our interface for expense report. We have date here, then we have expense on, rent, transportation, and meals. Same just like as this pie chart. And then we have the amount here. And then we also have 2 categories. First one is sort by date. When we click this, it will sort the date by the letters. And then we have a sort by category. This category is based on the expense on. Yeah. And this is the expense report. This is coding for the expense report. Here we have the table row, the first one, and we have the second one, and then we have the third one. And we also have the fourth one. And here the last one is with the button.
My name is ILMAN SAHUDDIN, metric number 13DDT22F1140. For the third part, we have design decision. First, activity main layout. We frame layout chosen as the root layout to enable stacking of UI elements. And the background image is placed first to cover the entire screen, followed by the linear layout for other UI components, ensuring the background is always behind the content. Image view for background. The background image provides a consistent theme throughout the app. Center crop was chosen to ensure the image scales properly across different screen size. Next, linear layout for content. Vertical orientation was chosen to align elements from top to bottom. This layout contains an image, a summary text, another image, and two buttons. The linear layout ensures the elements are displayed in a sequence that makes sense for users. Button placement. The buttons are placed at the bottom of the layout with appropriate margins to be easily accessible for user interaction. Next, expense report layout. For vertical, we choose vertical orientation. We choose linear layout, vertical orientation, so that the screen will align the title, sorting option, and the expense table. This provides a clear hierarchy, making the report easy to read. Next, grid layout for sorting options. The grid layout is used for two sorting options. This approach allows the option to be displayed side by side, making them easily accessible. Next, table layout for expense details. Table layout is employed to display expense details in a structured manner. Each row represents an expense with columns for the date, description, and amount. The table row elements ensure data is aligned, making it easy to compare expenses. Lastly, expense entry layout. We choose this for consistency with expense report layout. This layout is similar to the expense report layout to maintain a consistent user experience. The reuse of linear layout, grid layout, and table layout ensures that users can easily navigate between entering and viewing expenses. Table layout for input fields. The table structure allows for a neat arrangement of input fields, making it intuitive for users to add new expenses. Each table row represents a field, and the consistency in design reduces cognitive load on users.
Number 4, we have challenges and solutions. Number 1 is background image scaling. The challenge is ensuring that the background image scales properly across different devices. Was challenging due to varying screen sizes and resolutions. And the solution for it is the center crop scale type was used for the background image in the frame layout, ensuring that the image covers the entire screen while maintaining its aspect ratio. Number 2 is maintaining consistency. Challenge: maintaining a consistent design across different activities while accommodating different content types. Example, summary versus detailed report require careful planning. The solution for it: consistent use of layouts such as linear layout, grid layout, and table layout across different screens help achieve uniformity, making the app easy to use. And the last one is handling dynamic content. Challenge: managing dynamic content in the expense report, such as varying numbers of expenses, pose challenge for maintaining layout structure. And the solution for it: the use of table layout allow for easy addition of new rows without disrupting the overall layout, ensuring that the UI remains intact regardless of the content value. That's all from me. Thank you.